Hey bro, how are we going to start this presentation?
I don't know, we have to get everyone's names.
Whose name are we going to put first?
What about me?
What's going on, guys?
Hey, what's up? You need to find your name for the presentation.
Yeah, we're about to get started.
You guys haven't found it yet? Where do you guys think it is?
I think over here somewhere is the last time I saw
Over
it.
there?
Yeah.
Hey, one of you throw it over here.
Polish, a high degree of refinement, ability to demonstrate professional nonverbal techniques and etiquette.
Hey, do you think you could eat with your mouth shut, please?
Mm-hmm.
So how's your sandwich?
Scrumptious. Alright. Hey guys, about to get out of here. It's nice meeting you.
That's me, man.
It's a good handshake. It's all American.
What's going on, Anthony? Oh, that's a hard one.
Audio Jungle.
Too hard.
I'm going.
So that fish for sure. That fish.
Thank you for being here. Today we're talking about the importance of time management and how it's important to be timely when coming to meetings and other business functions.
Hey, sorry I'm late. Me and my dad were at the zoo. Penguin got out and just shredded all of my spreadsheets. I'm so sorry.
Dang it, Anthony, this is the third time this week that you've been late. If you are late again, I'm going to have to terminate you. Good morning, Anthony.
Morning, Dr. Elliott. Heard that we were having a big meeting today, so got some breakfast, decided to come here early and kind of get a jump on the day.
Very good. I see you're prepared with your laptop there to take notes.
I am.
Very good. Today we're going to talk about the different ways to use Excel in your business, including scheduling, finance, accounting. Data is more easily understood if it's visual. Appeals to the visual and learner whenever you use tables and charts. You guys aren't even listening. When using tables and charts, it's important to make sure that you are making them. When it comes to scheduling, it's important to use the columns and rows within Microsoft Excel to make it easier to schedule. You can also use color coding, automatic update.
What are we going to put on there?
What about me?
Hey.
Meetings and other business functions.
Hey, Coleman, sorry I'm late. I kind of got into a little fender bender. Had to rough them up a little.
Anthony, this is the third time you've been late this week. If you are late one more time, I'm going to have to terminate you. Good morning, Christian. You're early.
Oh my God! I'm late, Coleman. I kind of nicked the bus.
Dang, Anthony, this is the third time this week that you've been late. If you're late one more time, I'm going to terminate you.
So how's your sandwich?
Dang it, Anthony, this is the third time this week that you've been late.
Bro, come on.
Good morning, Christian. You're early. Third time you've been late this week. Good morning, Christian.